Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Manuela here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to create a blog, making use of Caisy templates, and with making use of Astro. So, create, click on our create new project, click new template, click on Astro, and then we're going to select it. Thereafter, you can open this in a new window or new tab, and also with GitHub repo. Let's add this to our project. We'll give it a name such as Astro blog, and then you can upload whatever image you want, and you can create a project. So while that's going on, right over here, we can proceed to the project. Go back to our GitHub, copy this, head over to our terminal. So in the terminal, just write git clone to clone the project repository. While it's done cloning, go to cd into the project folder. And the name that we have here is starter template. Astro simple blog. And yeah, we're going to run npm install, and that should install our files. So while that's going on, we're going to walk through a content management system. So when you want to query for your content, just head over to the playground, and here you can see that you can pick whatever you want to query for. Peradventure, it's the article, it's the headline, whatever. You can query for what content is there. So let's take a look at the blog article. Yeah, you can click on edges, afterwards, nodes. Also, query whatever you want. Be the ID, the slug, the teaser, the headline, whatever it may be. Feel free to explore. You can query for the categories, you can query the various names of the categories. Really, just feel free to explore. I think this is okay, and let's see what we have. As you can see the various category that we have, the name SEO, and the other descriptions. After that, let's check back our terminal. Alright. So our Astro blog is ready. I'm going to open this in my VS Code, and then we're going to try to run this on our server. Alright. So from the README, we're going to rename this to just.env. Let's head back to our project. Go to settings. So go to settings for your Astro blog. Click on settings, and thereafter go to general settings and copy your project ID. Let's head up to my Visual Code, and here I'm going to paste it. Afterwards, let's go back here and go to our development. Click on create API key. You can just name this Astro key, and accept this, and you get our code. Copy that, and we can close that up. Let's head back to our Visual Studio, and here we can paste it, or whatever ID of your choice. Save that up, and let's open that on our server. So yeah, I'll just click on npm run dev, and that should be up and running on our server. So while that's up, we can try to see and check out how we can make edits to our content. This open up in locals 3001. So